All right, so as you can see behind me, my son decided to use the wall as his coloring page. This is the first time, I think this is the first time that one of the kids had like really drawn on the wall before. So let's use one of these Mr. Clean magic erasers and scrub this wall clean. Oh look, I have a little helper. Hi, Midnight. Oh my god, this isn't working. This is very strange that this is not quite working right. Maybe I just don't have enough water on this, so I'm gonna go get a bucket of water and use that, and maybe that will help clean this thing off because it needs to go. This is still not working. Maybe I need to do my trick that I did on the walls in my last, like one of my last 5x5 cleaning videos, where I just use warm water and dish soap and a rag, and maybe that'll help get this off. Let's try it. Working either. Just so you know, this is my first video that I'm trying to film for Vlogtober. It may not be the first one you see in Vlogtober, but this is the first one I'm filming for it. And this is just, I hope this isn't like what's yet to come. Like, disaster is gonna strike for Vlogtober, but these things aren't gonna work. But now, I'm probably just using the wrong technique. So let me look up some things on how to clean crayon off the walls. Okay, so I found out on Crayola.com that you can spray with multi-purpose spray and then use a paper towel. Try that and let's see if that works. So neither of these methods are working. So another one I saw was to get baking soda, and I just put some water in here and use that and try to use like the grittiness. So let's try it out. Oh, okay. This might, I don't know, that almost looks like it's taking the paint off the wall. So, might be taking paint off the wall. Yeah, guys, that totally took paint off the wall, which I'm not too worried about because I really want to repaint in his room so bad. Oh, dang it. Well, dang, I don't know if we're gonna get this clean. Eventually we'll get it clean. It may not be today. So I'm gonna keep trying some things out. I thought this was gonna be a super fast 5-minute clean, and it has turned into like 20, almost 20, 30 minutes. I don't know how long I've been over here now. 20 minutes at least trying to figure out how to do this. I'm gonna figure it out.